Hi, this is Armando Salcido with Success Tutoring. We're located just 5 minutes from downtown Burbank and about just a few minutes away from Warner Brothers and Disney Studios also. We are right across the street from John Burroughs High School and about a 5-minute drive from Burbank High. As a tutoring center, we have students and families come to us all the time wanting academic assistance and help, and we provide a tailored program for students. And but on top of that, I often give them a lot of advice. Students give them advice as well as parents. And a lot of them, both students and parents, have often suggested that I record these suggestions because they have found them to be very helpful. And I thought, well, why not? Let's go ahead and actually record them, and who knows, maybe other people would find them interesting also. Okay, so I thought I'd try, I thought I would start here with one that is, I think, rather timely. We are now at the beginning of, well, actually at the very end of the school year, towards the beginning of summer. And one thing that a lot of times students ask themselves, or at least don't know how to answer the question being, what am I going to do with my life once I'm done with school? What should I get into? What profession should I choose? What career should I look at? And there are some suggestions that I have found that have been helpful. At least some people say they've been very helpful. One thing is for students, you want to start basically just talking to people, finding out about what people do. You can start with the friends of your parents. Ask them what they do. And do they like it? Is this something that they would suggest that somebody get into? And just get all the information. And really make sure you let them know that you really thank them for their help, because if you tell them that what you're trying to do is just really figure out what you want to do with your life, usually most people are more than willing to help out. You can also do the same thing with the parents of your friends. And again, you always want to be respectful and really, thank them quite a bit for their assistance. But make notes and take a look at all the information. Now, there's another way to do this also. One thing that I actually found to be very successful or very helpful, and that is a website that we tell students about. Some students have been introduced to this site at their school, but I don't know that these students, even if they've been introduced to it, actually use it. It's called CaliforniaCareerZone.org. So California is not spelled out. It's CACareerZone.org, and it's a site that gives students or parents, either way, a lot of information about different professions, different careers, from architecture, engineering, to medical field, clerical field, it goes on and on and on, with a lot of information about each one, what the potential income is, what the outlook is like for this particular job, what type of training is required, how much college is required, etc. Again, a lot of students and parents have found this to be very helpful, so I thought I'd actually introduce this to you and walk you through it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is type into your web browser career. Okay, I've got it typed in there already. Zone.org. Okay. When the site comes up, you can either start searching right away, or you can watch a short 6-minute video that tells you all about the site and the information you can find here. So you would actually find that by taking this. It says take the tour. That gives you the short little video. Okay. Or if you want to just dive in and start exploring, let me show you one way to do that. If you click on this here, Explore Job Families, it will show you a whole list of types of careers, anything from architecture and engineering to business, construction, arts and design, healthcare, law, and many more. Let's go here now. So again, architecture and engineering occupations, community and social service occupations, farming, fish and forestry, installation, maintenance and repair, art, design, entertainment, sports and media, computer and mathematical occupations, food prep, life and physical and social science occupations, personal care, business and financial operations, etc. There are quite a few. So if you're interested in any one of these, you just want to click on that and you will get a whole list of jobs and careers that are related to that. So let's just take the first one here. Architecture and engineering occupations. Let's click on that. All right. So now you see here that the salaries here range anywhere from as low as $10,000 all the way up to $160,000. Okay. Here you see, again, all of these related jobs. Aerospace engineering and operations technicians, agricultural engineers, architectural drafters, automotive engineers, biochemical engineers, civil drafters, civil engineers, electrical drafters, electrical engineers, energy engineers. It goes on and on. It's like quite a list. Mapping technicians, I'm not even sure what that is. Mechanical drafters. Okay, again, it goes on and on. Now, those that have this little asterisk, okay, this little symbol here, basically means that this is a STEM-related career. Over to the right, you can see some of these actually have a video connected to them. And over to the far right, it actually shows roughly how many years of college are required for this particular, that particular type of career. So let's go for, I don't know, let's say biochemical engineer, okay? Okay, so if you click on that, you can see that basically it tells you a little bit about the job. You develop usable, tangible products using knowledge of biology, chemistry, or engineering. Solve problems related to material systems or processes that interact with humans, plants, animals, microorganisms, or biological materials. It's also called, now here are different names for this, biochemical development engineer, biochemical engineer, bioengineer, bioprocess development engineer, etc. There's others, and there's even more. Okay, it gives also an explanation of what these people do. They need to know mathematics, engineering technology, biology, chemistry, things that they need to be able to do. Okay, and over to the right, farther up, preparation required. It says most of these occupations require a 4-year bachelor's degree, but some do not. What are the wages? Okay, and it gives you some recent wages here. In 2016, the average annual wage in California was $107,280, with most people making between $57,340 and $160,290. Okay, it gives you the outlook, and it gives you some common college majors for people wanting to go into this area or field of occupation. Okay, so that's just one example here. So as you can see, that site gives you tons of information about many different careers. But this is just the beginning. What you should do is take that information and use the summer to do more research. Use the site, get as much information as you can, but use that as a springboard to do additional research, get more information about all these different careers, possibilities, find out if they're a match for you or not. Now another angle or another approach to take is when you first get onto the site is you can also do a personal assessment, and that will give you kind of an idea of which types of professions or careers you might be suited for. That might be a bit of an eye-opener. Thank you for watching this short video. If you have found it helpful and you think others may also find it helpful, don't hesitate to forward it to friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button at the upper left-hand corner of your screen. And also don't forget to check back periodically to see if there are any additional suggestions. So until then, this is Armando with Success Tutoring, and thank you again. We'll see you soon. Bye.